If you watched my interview with Guillermo from Lemlist, you might have heard that he talked about a template section where they share their best performing cold email templates. In today's video, I want to talk about Lemlist's template section, and let's dig through it, and I'll react and we'll find some good templates, etc. today on the Alex Berman YouTube channel. Let's go! This video is brought to you by Email 10K. Learn how to book meetings with billion-dollar brands and take your company to the next level at email10k.com. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. We do a ton of content like this 3 times a week. We've been doing this for years. You can also check out all our past content. So go ahead and hit subscribe down below and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps if you could just go ahead and tap that like button. It'll help grow the community and get the word out about all of the fabulous things we're doing over here. All right, let's jump into it. I wanted to show you this because it's super cool, and I know a lot of cold email influencers like to live in a bubble. Like, for instance, Patrick Dang doesn't even respond to my Instagram posts, even though I wanted to share him with you guys. I'm not hating on him. I'm just saying certain influencers like to pretend like they're the only people in the space. I used to be like that as well, but now I know the more information you guys have, the better. So let's go through Lemlist, and I'll show you some of these great cold email templates, because this is actually amazing what Guillermo and the team have built here. You can get to it by going to lemlist.com/cold-email-templates.
Great domain.
So what they have is all of these cold email templates by open rate and reply rate. And they have it by cold email, sequence, follow-up. You can actually sort by sales, networking, link building, recruiting, event promotion, job application. Super, super helpful stuff. In features, you can see if it's text only, video, images. So let's go through. You can see for sales, I wish you could do a sort. Can you not do a sort? So for instance, like generate sales for your SaaS, this has an 8% reply rate. Why would I want to see this when Find Your Niche has a 42% reply rate, right? Why is this one first? Let's see, what's a super high performing one? Pitching marketing agencies. There we go. I mean, are we gonna talk about the same thing we always talk about? So here we go, 88% open rate, 30% reply rate, selling the same thing we sell. Here we go. How Ivan reached out to marketing agencies to offer them his cold email service. Perfect, dude. Good job, Ivan. Hello, name, Icebreaker. My name is Ivan. My team and I help online agencies to find their ideal clients with super personalized cold email campaigns, or email campaigns that guarantee quality sales calls without looking like a spammer. Could you get a quick call this week to chat and see if we can boost company name with this? That's great. Hello, name. I'm back in your inbox. Please don't start collecting rent, haha. I really want to share the great results we've achieved for our clients. Record a video explaining our process and the types of results. You can see it here, Loom video. It's surprising to me that this got the results it got because of how many typos are in this and how much bad grammar is in this. Can we trust Lemlist's numbers? So do most people sell cold email using cold email? I like seeing the impact that we've had on the industry. Nobody was selling cold email to agencies before us, and it's just cool to see everybody doing it now. It doesn't hurt my feelings. In fact, I love it. By the way, if you haven't already, go check out our other YouTube channel, Crazy Money. It's the greatest sequence of videos we've ever made. It's options trading, cryptocurrency, Div's doing make money experiments in India. I'm doing make money experiments in America. If you want to see all of those videos, go on over to crazymoney.org and subscribe. We'll also link to it down below. You can see our second channel, Crazy Money. Go subscribe down there and let's go. I love that this exists, that Lemlist is able to share all their data here, and I highly recommend you check this out. This is super cool. What else do we got here? What is this? Promote healthy meal options. What could this possibly be? Green Machine / company name. Hi, first name. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Saw your site this morning and thought I'd reach out to schedule some time with you. We curate boxes of healthy snacks for employees at the workplace and deliver to your remote colleagues at home. Really want to help build company names, team productivity, and morale with something as simple as healthy snacking. Let me know which day over the next week would be best to chat. Best, Gideon. And this has a 52%, so they would respond back like Monday. I hope these numbers aren't self-reported, is all I'm wondering. So 878 emails sent, 711.18 people got back. And of those 711.18, 52% responded. That's 369 responses off of 870 emails with 2 variants. You know what I'm saying? Okay, here's my reaction here. Which one of these variants generated these responses? This data feels like it's a bunch of that's my feedback here, which is weird because you'd think Lemlist, they have the data. Lemlist, if you guys don't know, is an email sending tool. So they actually have this data. So why does their data feel like it's nonsense? That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying they're doing anything weird. I'm just saying you just saw me run the numbers and they didn't add up. Maybe my math is wrong, but that just seems weird to me. And also the other one had a bunch of typos and was outperforming anything that I've ever seen. So 943 emails sent, 57% open rate, 13% reply rate. Hello, first name. I hope you're doing great. Noticed you're part of the top RIAs in the US. Again, typo here. Congrats on growing your AUM base. I don't know what that means. Just yeah, okay. Bought you a grande latte with extra caramel drizzle.
What are y'all doing?
943 emails sent with typos and with acronyms. According to FA Mag, I'm missing something here. Something's not adding up about these numbers. Something's really not adding up about these numbers. Lemlist, y'all got to look into this. I don't know what to tell you. I'm looking at here. I've sent millions of cold emails, all right? I know it when I see it. Why is it 30%? Hi, first name. Here's how ASMR content should sound. Hey, first name. Hey, Alex. So I found your IG at Lucy Lou on ASMR the other day and wanted to share this 1-minute comparison video I made demonstrating how I, an audio engineer, get the most tingles out of a recording. 30%. Like, this is trash.
There's no way.
I'm not accusing Lemlist of anything, but I haven't seen a single script where the numbers add up or seem realistic or seem like they're not just completely made up. 100% open rate to VCs, maybe that's fine. 62% response rate, let's see. Hi Kelly, I'm an investor at eVentures, a global venture capital firm with offices in San Francisco. Yeah, we invest at the early and growth stages. You might know some of our investments like Angie's List, App Annie, Groupon. I came across an amazing startup and love what you're building. It'd be great to connect to learn more about the team and your vision for the company to see how, maybe this gets, anyway, let me know. Go over to lemlist.com/cold-email-templates, dig through these, and let me know, do these numbers feel right to you? Do these scripts feel like they're getting 75% open rates and 32% response rates? Hey Max, I came across your agency and saw you've served more than 1K clients. What a feat. Also, I love the promo code for a logo design order on the footer of your, like, trash, right? 65% reply rate. Oh no, Lemlist. I have to release the video, I already recorded it. Anyway, question for you guys. What do you think? What do you guys think? Are these numbers real? Lemlist.com/cold-email-templates. All right, I'll talk to you later. If you're struggling to get clients that pay you what you deserve and you want a quick path from 0 to 10K a month in your agency, check out email10k.com. You can see that. We'll link it right down below and you can check that out. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more content like this. We do videos like this 3 times a week. And leave a comment down below. What do you think? Let me know and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.